This is our pre-teardown video of a 65 Corvette Stingray that we're doing for a local customer. We've got a lot of good upgrades for this. We're gonna be doing a new chassis, LS engine, 4-speed automatic, overdrive transmission. It's gonna really liven this car up, make it fun, more enjoyable to drive. Nothing like a classic. These cars are so cool. Just looking out over that hood, seeing those peaked fenders, that long nose front end. These cars had style, and this car's about to get a whole lot nicer. This video is just to show you kind of how loose things were, and this car needs these upgrades to handle a lot better. Yeah, this brake pedal almost goes all the way to the floor. That's gonna definitely improve with the big brakes we're gonna put on this new chassis. Fuel injection will be nice, no more carburetor. Just gonna idle, perform very well. It'll be lighter, make the car handle better. Door might be open a little bit. Oh, I didn't shut it hard enough. There we go, better. This car might have handled great in 65, but it's about to get a whole lot better. We're gonna bring it into the 21st century. This car came out of the factory green. It's going back that factory green. Customer wants it that green, and I think it looks great on this car. On top of redoing all the paint on this car, we're gonna go through and redo all the bright work. All the chrome's gonna get re-chromed, all the trim's gonna get repolished out. It just takes that restoration to the next level when you do all that work. We're gonna be taking that 65 Corvette from the low 300 horsepowers all the way up to the 430 horsepower number that this engine makes. They perform well, they idle, they just run great. These are great engines for that car.